Hi everyone, this is Gideon Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will make another reaction video from Barda. So I won't take any longer, let's all watch this. Ano to? Ay, kiss-kiss naman palang atake. Charis! Gusto ko talaga itong mga edit-edit at mga kiss-kiss. Kasi pag tingnan mo naman, makatotohanan talaga yung kiss ni Ginoo. Right? Dahil dyan, magnanagaraya tayo for today's video. Kumaan, hindi ka na nagaraya. Masarap yung color green. Nagaraya, baka naman. Kaya kong umubos ng dalawang nagaraya isang araw yung malaki.
Tapos one day isang araw, pag uwi mo,
wala na pala. Isang malaking palabas.
may jowa pala.
Oo.
Isang magandang naranasan.
Oo, kaya tama yung kanta ni Ariana Grande. Thank you. Next. Oo. Papasalamat ka na lang, tapos next. Oo, move on agad.
After all, iba naman kasi kay Tony, tsaka kay Sam Amy.
Gano'n ka katagal bago ka naka-recover kay Sam nun? Naka-move on?
Alam mo kung istorya yan. Iba naman kasi, ito yung sinasabi ko eh. Diba? Ito yun eh. Actually, oo, tama kayo. Yung kay Billy yung like, coffee at kay David Wine. Pero kasi, it's all about drinks kasi eh. It's all about drinks yung kanilang ano. Yung Instagram story nila, it's all about drinks. It's all about chill. Parang ganun. So parang nagdi-date. Kasi puro drinks eh. So ito na naman sila. Date-date na naman sila sa Instagram. Ganun ba yun? Ganun ba yun? Really? Wait lang, tingin sila doon ah. Ate, tingin ang ganap. Hindi mo kaya. Diba? Twinning talaga sila, mami. Ang ganap nila, mami. I mean, paano natin i-disregard yan? Charis! Diba? What is twinning for today's video? Gusto ko talaga yung naka-side view sila. Kala mo naman talaga baga. Oh, kala mo talaga magkasama sila. Tingnan mo, oh. Hindi, dapat ang magkasama sila. At parang magkaharap lang sila, mami, sa mga pictures. Ang ganda talaga mga kabar-bar. Ay, pataka si Barbie, eh. Sino yung girl? Oh. What is models?
The beauty of a woman is not in the clothes she wears, the figure that she carries, or the way she combs her hair. The beauty of a woman is seen in her eyes, because that is the doorway to her heart. The place.
A door to her heart. Happy birthday, Barbie McDonald's. Hindi naman ito. Okay.
This person made me believe in the tiniest hope in love. He is a gift from the universe, a celestial treasure that can't be measured. He is a work of art, bringing color and love to my black and white world. He is a dream, the answer to my prayers. He is my whole world. He is my guiding star. His light shines brightly in my darkest hours. He brings me happiness even in the deepest blue. In his eyes, I see stories filled with love. His imperfections are what I love. In his vulnerability, I see his might.
Ang paghinhot ko tuloy dito sa liad na walang kamatayan. Hindi nga natin na-search si
What happened to David and I is
kahapon. Hindi nga natin na-search yung Barbie Fortesa eh. Di ba? Ay, ito may speech. Ito may speech. Ba't na yan? Happy birthday, Barbs! Saka alam ko nung panahon sila sa kanila ni David, simple manamit. Napaka-simple nilang manamit. Parang si Barbie yung last na si David yung...
You're so beautiful, you're so white, you're so beautiful and you're so kind. Thank you so much.
Parang si David yung last na bumate.
Maraming
No?
respeto tayong mga artista. Kaya naman, sana ate mo, dami pang ikaw blessings na matanggap. Sobrang dami pa kasi deserve na deserve.
I love you, B.
Artista, napakabuti mong tao, napakabuti mong anak. You've been an inspiration. Thank you so much, ate, for being you. Thank you for existing. More birthdays to come, and I love you, ate Bars. See you soon. Mwah.
Single ka pa rin ba hanggang ngayon?
Si David yun eh. Dash Bia.
Single ka pa rin ba hanggang ngayon?
Ay.
Yun yung tanong. Yun yung tanong.
The question is answerable by yes or no.
Magandang tanong yun. Sige nga, sagutin mo din. Oy, grabe kayo. Single. Single tayo. Ay, ang gulo mo eh. Single. Single tayo. Grabe kayo dyan. Ang ganda ng tanong. Inaan ba kita? Yan. Single tayo. Single.
Single naman pala.
Masaya kaya, di ba? Maging single. Enjoy ka lang. Ano ba? Nasa, pasample naman ng Korean lines.
Cute dito. Ginawa ko ito ng vlog. Bakit yun naman si Maris? Bakit yun naman yung siniship si Maris? Ay? At bakit bigla kayo naging close, Bianca? Kung totoo
Single ka pa rin ba hanggang ngayon? Ay, yun yung tanong. Yun yung tanong.
Yun yung tanong.
Talaga lang, ha? Magandang tanong yun. Sige nga, sagutin mo din. Oy, grabe kayo. Single. Single
Oo,
tayo.
single naman.
Ay, ang gulo mo eh. Single. Single tayo. Grabe kayo dyan. Ang ganda ng tanong.
Single?
Single tayo. Single. Masaya kaya, di ba? Maging single.
Bakit iba?
Enjoy ka lang.
Bakit iba? Bakit mo gina-justify?
Ano ba? Nasa, pasample naman ng Korean lines.
Ano kita na natin to? Ang dami pa ng ganyan. Ganda ni Barbie. Ang daming vlog Ang daming edit. Anyway, thank you so much for today's video from Barda Compilation. This is KJ Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!